Hello, everybody. This is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and CD stickers inserts. And for this week, I am using this beautiful kit from the Pretty Pink Go. It is called Moonlit Veil. There you go. And I'm using this for my Halloween spread. It's the last week of October. So, yeah, do stick around while I put down the base, and I'll talk to you in a while. Alright, so for the rest of the base, I will put down one of the sidebars. This one is so pretty. So, with the moon and those clouds, the colors are so beautiful. And then, even if the theme is spooky or creepy in a way, it still looks so pretty. I love how it was composed or how it was built or designed, because you still get that pretty effect. So I did mix the big deco with the full boxes again. And the scene that I was trying to create here is like, you're coming from the house, getting out of that gate and then onto that bridge, and then with the bridge there's like water, of course, bridge. So there's that boat over there which got hidden with that torn paper. So that is the first half of this page. And then on the second half, I'm using again one of the, I don't know what you call this washes or pattern, which is so beautiful again. Like the clouds and some stars. That's why I had to use this paper, because I'm like, yep, let's try to create something with this paper in mind. So I did tear it in half, and then I put the deco in between, like this white space here, with just some deco, and then the full boxes and the gold foil accompanying this kit. So yeah, I just played around with that for this one. I'm like, okay, let's put some stickers here, and let's see if it'll work out. So I did put the foil. I like playing with the foil as well, connecting those boxes together, and then some alcohol ink swatches as well to have that, like, even, very Silent Hill or very moody kind of page. So yeah, that is what I did for the base, and I'll see you in the day today. right, so let us start off with Monday. I'm putting down that really pretty floral on the side, and that email icon or happy mail icon is from Grass by Tawi, and the happy mail script is from Paper Trail Plants that you can grab at their shop. And then I also had a planning sesh. I was planning out, I think, my November bullet journal, and then also another plan with me because I needed to catch up on my planner spreads. And then I was listening to another book. So if you can see that really cute icon, that is from Sadie Stickers. That is her OG icons, I believe, like the $2 icons, like on one whole sheet with different icons on them. So yeah, I was reading the selection, and this is a very YA book, in my opinion. But there's still an adult theme in there because it's so very The Bachelor, in where the prince has to go on dates or dates with candidates to be queen. So it's like so very weird books. It's a series, and I don't plan to continue reading that one. I don't really like the plot. And then yeah, it's very weird. Anyways, again got some happy mail, this time from Sadie Stickers, and then we had our winterization day. So our winterization day, if you're not familiar, is when some folks come to clean or like take out all the water from the pipes, so that come winter time, or when it gets really cold, the temperature gets really cold, the pipes won't burst, so everything is turned off. So that's why they call it winterization day. And then I also had a planning sesh, and I completed my November bullet journal. All right, on Wednesday we did go to UPS and USPS because I needed to send some items out in both areas. We had to return some items, and then my mother-in-law needed to also send something out. And then we got some groceries for my mother-in-law's medicines, or like the pharmacy and the grocery. And then I was watching Nothing Like This, which is the one with Adam Brody and Kirsten Bell, season 2. So it's the one on Netflix, and I actually was a little bit disappointed with the season this time because it felt like it was the same kind of thing that happened in season 1. And then I just found the season 1 funnier than the season 2, and I really didn't like what was happening with the sister, like the plot. I mean, like the scenario that she was in. I wasn't a fan of it, and it just felt so weird. But yeah, hopefully season 3 will be better. We'll see if there is a season 3. So that was the Nothing Like This. And then on Wednesday, I got some happy mail from Imperfect Plans. And then what did we do? I was reading, what was I reading this time? Other Side of Now. So Other Side of Now is actually like a plot like in 5 years by Rebecca Searle, or maybe in another life, like Taylor Jenkins Reid. It was pretty good. I really like it. And that was what I listened to. And then I had a doctor's appointment on Halloween day. Yeah, I needed to do my annual, so I haven't had a doctor's appointment in a long time. So yeah, I needed to get one. I did bring my daughter to her friend's place for trick or treat, and then I got we ordered some Uber Eats from KFC. The script is from Blissful Jayde Designs. And then on Saturday, I was reading this time Park Avenue, which is like a family drama of inheriting stuff again. So I haven't finished it yet, so I really not sure if I like it or not yet, but yeah, I like the plot. So take out of what did we take out this time? I forgot. Oh, Wingstop and Domino's. Then I was able to film a haul, And then on Sunday, I was reading Glow of the Everflame. It's a fantasy novel, and I really like this series by Penn Cole. I had so much fun reading this, even if I was so annoyed with the female main character. So yeah, I like the ending, so I read the rest of the series. And then I was able to upload a plan with me, and then I was able to book my daughter's party for her friends. And yeah, that will be coming up in the next plan with me, maybe 2 weeks from now. And then yeah, that's it for this spread. These are the leftovers. And then this is Moonlit Veil in gold foil. Yeah, it's so pretty with the colors. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.